How to add widget to lock screen on a Samsung Galaxy A16. When you lock your phone, you can see the lock screen clock style and a weather info. If you want to add widget to lock screen, just tap on the clock on lock screen. Now here you can see the by default add weather. At the top you can see music, alarm, recorder. To customize it, tap the settings icon. Unlock your device to see the available lock screen widget setting. Now you can directly go to the widget setting. Choose useful info to show when you tap the clock on a lock screen. So here you can see the music, weather, today's schedule, next alarm, digital well-being, voice recorder. This is the available option on your device. If you want to reorder it, tap on the reorder. Now here we select weather at the top. Also digital well-being option in the second. Now go back. Toggle on the option you want to show on a lock screen. Here you can see top weather, digital well-being, music. Now lock your phone and tap on the clock style and you can see the weather, digital well-being, music. So you can easily customize. If you want to add add any weather on the lock screen clock style, go to the tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen wallpaper. Here you can find the widgets option. So tap on the widget on the lock screen. Here you can add widget to your lock screen clock below. So select the option here. We select calendar like this. You can see add. So you can add multiple widget here. Also add clock, upcoming alarm, or you can add weather and the lock screen moon space, how it looks. Now you can see add weather to lock screen. Just tap on done at the top right corner. Now we apply to the lock screen. So now lock your phone and you can see the add widget to the lock screen. Also tap on a clock style to see the list of widget you add. So it's quite easy to add widget to lock screen or customize widget on a lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A16 and any other latest Samsung devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.